Have you ever noticed how when you strip away the Hollywood graphics, the fancy animations, and the school book diagrams, the story we're told about Earth starts sounding a little strange? We're told we live on a giant spinning ball rotating 1,000 miles an hour while orbiting the sun at 67,000 miles an hour, and while the entire solar system supposedly flies through the galaxy at over 500,000 miles an hour, and on top of that, the galaxy itself is racing through the universe at even faster speed. All of this motion, stacked on top of other motion, stacked on even more motion, yet somehow we don't feel a thing. We're told the Earth is wobbling, tilts, and shifts over long cycles, but when you walk outside, everything looks pretty calm. The horizon is always flat and level with your eye. Water always finds level, and no matter how far you look, the ground doesn't appear to curve away from you. It just stretches out, steady and unmoving. We're taught that all these intense cosmic movements are happening right now, underneath our feet, and yet the stars above don't seem to care. The constellations remain fixed year after year, generation after generation. If we are really whipping around the sun and the galaxy and all this other stuff, we're told, shouldn't the stars shift dramatically? Shouldn't there be some kind of parallax? Shouldn't we see some observations with our naked eye that have changed? But we don't. The sky looks the same today as it did thousands of years ago. People say, well, scientists have proved it. But where is the everyday evidence? Where is the motion you can feel? And before people say, well, it's just like driving down a car and down the road, but it's circular motion, and that is the feeling of constant acceleration. I hate it, as a side note, when people say, well, if you're driving down the interstate at 75 miles an hour and your car feels like you're sitting still, drive in a circle at 75 miles an hour. It's constant acceleration. All right, so where's the curvature you can see? Why are we expected to believe in all this invisible, unmeasurable movement, while we're the ones labeled crazy for asking questions? The burden of proof should never fall on the person who says, I simply don't see what you're claiming. The burden of proof belongs to the people insisting that this calm, steady Earth is secretly a spinning, wobbling, orbiting spaceship traveling through the universe at impossible speeds. And all that's really the heart of it. When you step back, when you look with your own eyes instead of relying on programmed images, the world doesn't look like a ball flying through space. It looks like a stable, solid foundation, something built with purpose, something intentional. All I'm saying is, look for yourself. Don't let Hollywood convince you. Don't let textbooks do your thinking. Ask simple questions. Trust your senses, because once you do, you might start realizing maybe the world isn't what they told us.